Hello everyone, this is Praveena from GCD HR Dubai. So today we are here to inform you guys that we have received total 29 work permits in our 8th batch from Greece. So out of 29 we have received a total 19 work permits from UAE and 10 from Qatar. So those who have received the work permits from UAE, I'm going to announce their names. So the names are as follows. Bisal BK applied as a housekeeping from Nepal. Anuka Shrestha applied as a housekeeping from Nepal. Deepak Bushal as a housekeeping from Nepal. Hira Thapa as a waiter from Nepal. MD Umar Mobin as a waiter from Bangladesh. Naresh Bhatt as a commis chef from India. Praveen Kumar Gharti Magar as a CDP from Nepal. Binda Tamang as a waiter from Nepal. Bijay Tamang as a waiter from Nepal. Bobby Simwal as a CDP from India. MD Jalaluddin as a waiter from Bangladesh. Rajkumar Nupane as a waiter from Nepal. Rohit BK as a cook from Nepal. Tokir Bashir as a head waiter from Pakistan. Varinder Singh Ram as a kitchen helper from India. Binod Bandari as a housekeeping from Nepal. Lakshman Ghale as a waiter from Nepal. And those who have received the work permit from Qatar, I'm going to announce their names. Bhuvan Kadel as a buffet runner from Nepal. Pavitra Dharai as a buffet runner from Nepal. Sunil Kumar Rasali as a dishwasher from Nepal. Sanjit Ahmed as a dishwasher from Bangladesh. Muhammad Aslam as a dishwasher from Bangladesh. Faizol Abul Bashir as a dishwasher from Bangladesh. Gopal Pariyar as a housekeeping from Nepal. Janam Bardewa as a commis chef from Nepal. Bal Bahadur Shrestha as a waiter from Nepal. Bindu Tamang as a housekeeping from Nepal. So congratulations to those who have received the work permit. So for the further process, you need to consult with a consultant person. So we are receiving our work permits every day. So please have a patience, those who are waiting for the work permits. So we are updating the work permits, those whoever we have received the work permits, we are updating in the social media page. So you need to stay tuned in your social media. So further we'll come up with the next video with the good news for you guys. So stay tuned. So thank you so much.